The Local Legends. It's a project that Mazda started 5 years ago. That's why we have you here today, because of the work that you're doing with the Eastside Dance Festival Society. And anyway, it's terrific. We have Kelly Brownlee and Kelsey McMahon, both of the Dance Festival. So perhaps you can tell us a little bit about what the Dance Festival does.
This is our 13th year, and it started off with the idea that some of the kids in our dance programs in high schools didn't have an opportunity to perform. Kind of has exploded since then. We've gone from just that one performance night with 4 schools to now we have almost 20 schools involved, and it's just kind of exploded into this humongous thing now.
I think that's terrific.
Yeah.
Super. Well, you're certainly worthy recipients for a check from us for $2,500. And
Thank you so much. That's lovely.
Thank you so much.
Should we hold it? We'll give you a shake too. Thank you so much. And we'll give you one too. Thank you so much.
1, 2, 3.